Hello guys, this is Tanusha in front of you. So I will again welcome to my all audience to my free mind tutorial. Let me discuss the part 2 of topic reproduction. So we'll start our new topic with a new topic, the reproductive system. Today I will want a humble request to my all audience that please like my channels, subscribe and press the bell icons to never miss any notifications. So let's start our topic, and I will just a humble request, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our topic without wasting time. So let's start. Reproductive system. First, the male reproductive organ in a male is a pair of testes. Second, they are produced in male sex called sperm and also produce male sex hormones testosterone. Male reproductive organ. First, the male reproductive organ in a male is a pair of testes. Second, they are present in sternal sacs and outside the body and they contain semilunar tubules as the structure and functional unit. Third, male sex cells sperm are produced by the semilunar tubules and natures in epidermis. Our third topic is male accessory reproductive organ. First, cellular accessory reproductive that aids the reproductive process. Second, the prostate gland and the seminal vesicles are glands of the reproductive system which मेक स्टेम्स एंड नरिश टू द स्पर्म. ये जो है नरिश टू स्पर्म करता है, स्पर्म को नरिश करने में सबसे बड़ा रोल है इनका. थर्ड, पेनिस हैविंग अ यूरेथ्रा पासिंग थ्रू इट इज कॉल्ड अ कपिलेटरी ऑर्गन. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मेल डक्ट. फर्स्ट, इन द मेल the vasa deferens and the male duct. Second, the single vasa deferens carries sperm from the respective testes up to the urethra. Third point, urethra act as a common passage of semen and urine. Urethra common passage of urine का काम करता है. ये एक तरह से पैसेज है, एक तरह से रास्ता है जहाँ से यूरिन का पास थ्रू होता है. लेट वी डिस्कस द अनदर डायग्राम ऑफ द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. सो लेट डिस्कस. This is called a vasa deferens, called the bladder, colon and the seminal vesicle, prostate and penis. These pipes called a urethra, epidermis, testes, and this is called all over the male reproductive organ, which I think it asked in a board exam of class 10. You can see this figure. Male reproductive system. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries. उसमें testes था, इसमें ovary है. Difference between भी हम देखते हुए चलेंगे. A pair of fallopian tubes, oviducts and accessory organs such as the urethra and the vagina. Female reproductive organ. First, the main reproductive organ in a female is a pair of ovaries. Second, they produce a female sex cells called egg and ova and also produce female sex hormones called estrogen and progestogens. Female accessory reproductive organ. First, urethra and vagina are accessory reproductive organ in the human females. Second, the urethra is a site of fetus development. Fetus means होता है कि जब स्टमक में मदर के ओवम में बेबी रहता है तो उसे fetus कहते हैं. And vagina receive the sperm for the male. Discuss the diagram of female reproductive organ. This is urethra, fallopian tube, ovary, vagina, cervix, ovary. Pair of ovaries. Menstruation cycle. It is also called ostrich cycle. It occurs in animals and humans also. But in a animal, just like a cow, dog and horse and other etc., they have a different time period, just like a 3 months, 3 months में होता है, पर humans में, females में 1 month पे होता है. So we'll discuss about menstruations. First, menstruation is a cycle event of a release of ovum from the ovary and the ovum removed from the body when the fertilization does not happen. Menstruation cycle में इवेंट में ये होता है कि जब ओवम, ओवरी एंड ओवम रिमूव फ्रॉम अ बॉडी, ये हमारे बॉडी से रिमूव हो जाता है. जब ऐसे कंडीशन में ऐसा कंडीशन होता है जब वो सब फर्टिलाइज नहीं हो पाते हैं, तब वो रिमूव हो जाता है हमारी बॉडी के थ्रू, हमारे यूट्रस के थ्रू, ब्लड के रूप में. सो लेट वी डिस्कस द सेकंड पॉइंट. ड्यूरिंग द मेंस्ट्रुएशन द ब्लड reach the endothelium of the uterus, also break down the while the ovum is being removed from the body. ये menstruation जो होता है blood के through endometrius, the form of a uterus also break down while the ovum is removed from the body. Third point, to the pituitary hormone HL एंड FSL. HL का फुल फॉर्म होता है यूट्रेंस हार्मोन. इसके बारे में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, अभी इतना पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है फ़िलहाल. FS का फुल फॉर्म होता है फ्लोरियस स्टिमुलेटिंग एंड एस्ट्रोजन एंड द प्रोस्टेजन ऑल हैव देयर रोल इन मेंस्ट्रुएशन. ये दोनों का रोल है मेंस्ट्रुएशन में होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर पॉइंट नंबर 4. In human, the cycle repeat every 28 days. 28 days. ये साइकिल जो है बार बार रिपीट होता है 28 डेज के बाद इन फीमेल्स में. So let me discuss some diagram to understand this menstruation cycle. What is this? So first, in first to fifth day, urine lining breakdown in menstruations occur. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 to 10 day, uterine lining thickneck again. ये फिर से थिक होना शुरू हो जाता है. And after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, it's been 11 to 18 days. Ovulations occur usually on 14 day. ये अक्सर usually हमेशा 14 days पे ovulation शुरू हो जाता है. And rest of our day 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 19 to 28 days the uterine lining continue to thickness. ये फिर से मतलब यहाँ पे अभी हम देखें 8 to 10 days में कि थिकनिंग हो रही थी और फिर से वो थिकनिंग शुरू हो गई 19 to 28 days में. तो ये हमारा जो है मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल का है. इसको पढ़ने से ये होगा एक फ़ायदा, बेनिफिट्स ये होगा कि हम मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल का जो डेज है वो आसानी से याद कर लेंगे. तो इस फिगर को आप लोग कहीं ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एज यू विश, एंड यू कैन लर्न मोर बेटर देन दी theory. You can study it. Thank you for watching my video, and I will, as your wish, as my audience say whatever, I will provide the PDF of this reproductions chapter, and I will also try to give a quick revision video as well as soon as possible. And I will again humble request to my all audience, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss any notifications, any message, and be with me. We need to support. Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day.